Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is a good country and also near in the Philippines. And also, I want to experience what is Malaysia is, and I want to explore about my experience, also my experience. And I love Malaysian food.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
And my name is Jonah B. Espago. I'm 40 years old. I'm a widow. I have two sons. Their ages is 20 years old and 15 years old. I'm college level.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have boyfriend right now or live-in partner?
No, ma'am.
All right. So when is your birthday?
My birthday is June 15, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 157.48 centimeter and my weight is 60.
60. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
You mentioned that you are a college level. And what course?
Uh, HRM, ma'am.
All right. So of course, your children is already grown up. They're already teenager, but they still need someone to look after them. Then who will going to look after them?
My aunt, ma'am.
How old is your aunt and what is her occupation?
My aunt is 55 years old and your occupation is PLDT.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
No, ma'am, I don't have brothers and sister. I'm only child.
So what about your parents?
My parents are already both died, ma'am.
All right, sorry for it. So you mentioned that this is not your first work. This is not your first time working as a domestic helper. In which country do you have your first working experience?
My first experience in UAE,
Okay.
uh,
How many years you were there?
6 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started 2011 and then I finished my contract at 2016.
Can you share with me what is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My job is to take care of the special child. And then my duties and responsibilities is I bring her every day in the hospital. And then after the hospital, I do her bathing and I prepared her food. And also I do also the massage.
You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
How is it female or male?
Is a female, ma'am.
How old is she?
Is 6 years old.
Okay. So after 2016, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have also experience in Hong Kong. Is 2 years. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the elderly bedridden.
How old? Is it female or male?
Is a male, ma'am.
How old is he?
Is 85 years old.
Okay, so you focus on taking care of this bedridden or you do house chores also at the same time?
I focus, ma'am, the bedridden. And the same time, I also cooking and then the washing clothes.
All right. So you didn't do house chores and ironing.
No, ma'am.
So you only focus on taking care of this bedridden elderly and then you do the laundry and cooking, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
Is 2017 until 2019.
Okay, after 2019, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have the experience in Singapore.
Okay.
4 years in Singapore, 2020 until 2024.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there?
My job is I take care of the baby. Is 3 years old, and also I do household chores like washing, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and then uh, plant the and then clean the garden.
You do the gardening.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? You've been there for 4 years.
Because supposed to be, ma'am, I want to stay here in the Philippines because at that time my mother is passed away,
Mm.
and so I go in the Philippines. I want to focus my mother, but my mother is passed away, so I decide also to going back to abroad.
Okay. So after 2024, you've been stuck in the Philippines, right? Until now?
No, ma'am. I also find my job. March 2025. Uh, I work here in Antipolo, Rizal.
Okay.
My
Until when? March 2025 until?
active the present, ma'am.
Recently, until recently.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
are a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your job there?
My job is take care the kids, and also I do the washing, the ironing, uh, mopping.
How old are those children?
The eldest is the 17 years old, and the second one is 15 years old, and the third one is the 6 years old.
All right. So I would like to let you know that working here in Malaysia is you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible, same like what you did to your profiles, okay?
Oh,
You have a
yes,
lot of working experience and I want you to use it once you come to work here in Malaysia. I want you to be flexible, okay? And you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines because Malaysia is quite different. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
You can cook Chinese foods.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna fight once your homesickness strikes you?
I just remind them, just focus my work, and then I also remind my mind that my goal.
Okay, so this is a 2 years contract, same like we did to your previous employment. And any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
If you disagree, it's okay. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. Junabi, it was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank
Yes,
you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Thank
Bye.